The Texas Legislative Assembly adopted 774 laws that would come into force on September 1 in 2023. The law covers a wide range of topics, including transgender rights, street racing, health care and more. Below are 30 of the remarkable laws enacted. Some of the legislation, such as Death Star draft law, is in the litigation phase. This law will allow state legislation to override local regulations and end protections such as Dallas regulation requiring rest breaks at construction sites in 2015. Houston, San Antonio and El Paso filed a lawsuit to block the law. But Dallas has no plans to join the case. Some North Texas cities that support the case are Arlington, Denton and Plano. Travis County District Judge Maya Guerra Gamble said on Wednesday that HB 2127 violated the state constitution. The judge accepted summary decision request submitted by the city of Houston and said that bill should not be implemented, according to our partners in Dallas Morning News. Chief Public Prosecutor's spokesperson Paige Willey said the state objected to the decision. On Friday, State Prosecutor's Office said the decision to enforce did not prohibit the enforcement of law. Texans who were not party to Houston's case and were damaged by local regulations prevented HB 2127. This law must be fully valid. LGBTQ problems, education problems. Alanna Quillen from NBC5 has details about these new laws and more. Health problems. Lower priced drugs. Wholesale prescription drug import program created by HB 25. It will allow the state contract with Canadian drug wholesalers and suppliers to bring safe and affordable prescription drugs Texas cheaper than U.S. wholesalers. The Wholesale Prescription Drug Import Program created by HB 25 will allow the state contract with Canadian drug wholesalers and suppliers to bring safe and appropriate prescription drugs Texas cheaper than U.S. wholesalers. Rural Health Services, a program created by HB 617, helps emergency healthcare workers talk to doctors when the ambulance goes to the emergency room. The program created by HB 617 helps emergency healthcare workers talk to doctors on the way to the ambulance's emergency room. Medicaid for new mothers. Medicaid coverage for postpartum mothers is extended from 2 months to a year under HB 12. The bill was signed by Texas Governor Greg Abbott on August 18 and was submitted to the law. Health insurance coverage for postpartum mothers is extended from 2 months to 1 year under HB 12. The bill was signed by Texas Governor Greg Abbott on August 18 and included in buffer tax. The Texas Legislative Assembly lifted buffer tax after support for its repeal increased. The Texas Legislative Assembly lifted buffer tax after increased support for its repeal. Hospital bills. Patients with detailed invoices that Texas hospitals and other healthcare providers will need to provide. SB 490 requires that the bill contain plain language for each service before any attempt to collect debt. Driving an